Clean 4-hour chart with EMA and MACD alignment. RSI is above 50. MACD shows a bullish crossover. Candle breaks through the key zone. एक signal, एक setup, और trade चला 5 दिन. Zoom in on the engulfing candle with rising volume. Price holds EMA 20 like a support rail. Entry taken without structure leads to an early exit. A new entry with full confirmation hits take profit. Swing. Take profit is marked at the next weekly resistance level. Side-by-side comparison shows scalping chaos versus swing calm. Trade journal shows a 3-hour profit after holding the position for 4 days. EMA trailing stop-loss strategy keeps the runner active. Price retraces and bounces from the EMA. RSI dips slightly, then bounces back from the 50 line. MACD histogram starts weakening as price approaches the take profit zone. This is not scalping. This is a strategy built on patience. Charted Destiny, Episode 82. Indicator-based swing strategy, long ride plan. एक signal आया, confirmation मिला, और trade चला 5 दिन तक. Welcome to swing trading. Swing trading vision. Swing trading means holding a trade for multiple days with logic and clarity. Goals include catching the midsection of the trend, avoiding unnecessary market noise, focusing on risk-reward over time. This is patience-based profit. Swing-compatible indicators. Step 1. EMA 20 and EMA 50 act as your trend guide. Step 2. RSI 14 shows the strength of the move. Step 3. MACD helps with momentum and entry timing. Bonus tip. Volume confirmation works as a conviction booster. Swing buy setup rules. Step 1. Price should be above EMA 20 and EMA 50. Step 2. A bullish candle should bounce from EMA 20. Step 3. RSI must be above 50. Step 4. MACD should show a bullish crossover. Step 5. Entry is taken at the candle close. Step 6. Stop loss is placed below EMA 50 or below the candle low. Step 7. Take profit target is 2 to 5 times risk reward or the next swing level. Sell setup mirror. Step 1. Price should be below EMA 20 and EMA 50. Step 2. A bearish candle shows rejection from EMA 20. Step 3. RSI must be below 50. Step 4. MACD gives a bearish crossover. Step 5. Entry is taken after the candle closes. Step 6. Stop loss is placed above the recent swing high. Step 7. Take profit is set at the next demand zone. Time frame breakdown. Daily time frame shows the master trend. 4-hour chart is used as the execution frame. 1-hour chart gives precision and early entry signals. Always use a top-down approach. Trade only when all time frames are fully aligned. Trade blueprint. Time frame is 4-hour. Asset is Euro USD. Indicators used are EMA 20 and EMA 50. RSI 14. MACD. Price forms a bullish engulfing candle at EMA 20. RSI value is 57. MACD shows green histogram building. Entry is taken at the candle close. Stop loss is 45 pips. Take profit is 120 pips. Risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2.6. Risk applied is 1% of the account. Trade management rules. Trail the stop loss below EMA 20. For every 1 hour move, Adjust the stop loss higher. Take profit is optional when using a trailing method. Exit manually if MACD weakens and RSI starts to drop. Swing trading ने मुझे पेशेंस सिखाया। पहले मैं ब्रेकआउट पर एक्साइटेड हो जाता था और 2 कैंडल्स के बाद एग्जिट कर लेता, लेकिन जब मैंने कॉन्फ्लुएंस सेटअप यूज किया और प्राइस को ब्रीदिंग रूम दिया, तब मैंने लॉन्ग प्रॉफिट राइड को एंजॉय किया। मैं 4 आवर चार्ट देख रहा था। फ्रेंड बोला, अब तू रिटायर होने वाला है क्या? मैंने बोला, नहीं यार, बस अब ट्रेडिंग ठंडी चाय जैसी हो गई है, आराम से सीप करो। This is how a proper swing trade journal entry should look like. Date 12 January. Currency pair GBP JPY. Setup used EMA crossover with MACD confirmation. Entry price 160.40. Stop loss 159.80. Take profit 162. Exit reason: take profit hit. Risk to reward 2.6 R. Notes: clean structure, followed all rules. Log every trade, not just wins. Every entry matters, especially the ones where you fail, because failure writes the most honest feedback. Swing versus scalping real comparison. Swing trading. Time frame 1 hour to 4 hour or daily chart. Trade duration multiple days. Stop loss size 30 to 80 pips. Reward potential 2R to 5R. Emotional skill requires strong patience and mental stability. Scalping. Time frame 1 minute to 5 minute chart. Trade duration a few minutes. Stop loss size 5 to 10 pips. Reward potential 1R to 2R. Emotional skill requires extreme discipline and focus. Key takeaway: both styles work, but the right one depends on your time, your temperament and your trading mindset. लंबी जर्नी का मजा तभी आता है जब हर मोड पे सिग्नल हो और हर रुकावट पे डिसिप्लिन हो। स्कैल्पिंग से पैसा बनता है, स्विंग से ट्रेडिंग का सुकून मिलता है। Swing means logic and holding trades. Use EMA RSI and MACD together. Confluence gives you confidence to trust the setup. Stop loss is wider, take profit is bigger. Exit only when structure weakens and strength disappears. अगर आप अभी तक मेरे साथ हो तो आप देख रहे हैं चार्टेड डेस्टिनी और मुझे कहते हैं शेख जोहैब। सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें बिकॉज नेक्स्ट एपिसोड होगा मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम स्ट्रेटजी इंडिकेटर्स को सिंक कैसे करें। जिंदगी में पैसा होना जरूरी इसलिए नहीं कि ऐश करो, इसलिए कि इज्जत बना सको। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में एक न्यू ट्रेड माइंडसेट के साथ।